In today's video, I'm going to show you the Korean parenting technique rooted in Jeong that helps calm meltdowns in just under 60 seconds. You will learn why logic fails during epic tantrums and a simple five-step method used to connect and co-regulate and restore calm. And tell me in the comments which one do you like the best and which one worked best for you. My name is Laura Moreno and I am a certified parent coach, the mom of two kids, one is 4 and one is 8, and the founder of the community Good Moms, a community of thousands of moms around the world that get together to stop tantrums and create calmer homes. And if you want more information about that, just click below. Also, because you're here, I'm just going to give you my free course on how to stop tantrums. For free, it is a 6-day video course on how to stop tantrums forever so that you can create a beautiful, calm home. You can just get the course below. Again, 6 video part. It is the most incredible course on how to stop tantrums, and it is everything that I learned after spending many years with tantrums at home to create a calm and beautiful home. So, let's talk about this. So, what happens when there's like tantrums? What parents do when there are tantrums is they panic, they lecture kids, which is something they shouldn't do because they are not reasoning. And at the same time, we all feel frustrated because why me? Why me? Why me? Why this kid? This is so annoying. And I just wanted to go to the supermarket and now he's in the floor crying and everyone is looking at me. Oh, and then at the end, we also try to reason with them. We try to use logic. Please stand up. This is not the place to do this. I know what you want. It doesn't work because by the time kids have a tantrum, they're like highly dysregulated and they are not using their logic. They cannot access their logic. They're just using their animal instincts and they are in fight or flight mode and logic doesn't work. So what do they need? They need regulation and they need to feel safe. So how does Jeong come in? Well, Jeong is this Korean technique. It's a deep unspoken emotional bond that comes from shared experiences with your parents as well as a consistent calming presence from your parents. And the secret of this Jeong technique is really controlling yourself first. I know we think it's them. I know we think it's, he's the most annoying kid and it's not me. It's like he's pushing my buttons and so on. But you are the adult here. You have to control yourself first. If you do that, everything comes much easier. So how do you build young? You build young with consistent touch, with shared meals, with presence, with conversations. And these are the 5 steps to stop explosions and meltdowns and tantrums with this Jeong technique. First of all, you need to regulate yourself. And how do you do that? You breathe 3 times. You remind yourself that you can do this, that you've done this hundreds of times before. You ground yourself, you feel your feet in the floor, and then again, you feel confident and secure of yourself. And I know this is hard to say when you're like also dysregulated, but you cannot go dysregulated to a dysregulated child because nothing good can come out of that. The next thing is you need to move closer to your child and remember to keep 2 arms length so that your child doesn't feel threatened. Just keep the distance and sit next to them, keeping the distance. Same, your head should be at the same space as, same line as his head, in the floor maybe sometimes, and just like say nothing, sit next to them and be a quiet presence next to them. And if you want to say something, I'm here for you. I got you. I'm here. We can go through this together. But if he starts grunting when you say those things, don't say anything. Just be a physical presence there. The next thing, the part 3, is like physical connection only if your child allows you to have this physical connection. So, for example, you can touch the shoulder, you can put your hand in the shoulder, you can just touch them very slowly and, be firm, but also apply some pressure. And if you see that your child is rejecting that, stop doing it. You don't want them to feel threatened or to feel fear you don't want to annoy them also as well. The fourth step is to talk in a very slowly and deep voice, a very slow and deep voice. So kids, when they are in this state of feeling threatened, they need more time to understand what you're saying. And they can only process very short sentences or just words. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to transmit calm with your voice. So you have to soften your voice and also you have to talk much slower. And your movements as well must be also slow and calm. Your voice should reflect your emotional regulation because that will pass it on to them. Okay. Sometimes what I've also done is you can also start breathing slowly and they will join you most likely. And then the last thing, the fifth step, is stay until they are fully calm and use something called the Disney hug. And I don't know if you know this, but when you go to Disney, one of the rules of the Disney characters is if a child hugs them, they have to hug them back until the child lets go. Let's go. So they cannot just, they have to wait until a child makes the movement to go. So, hug them until they want to be hugged, stay there, help them fully settle, and don't rush it. And speak simple, I'm here for you, you're safe. Okay. So the three kids of Jeong is you get instant trust. You are their safe place, and you always have to do that. When when they dysregulate and they come back to you and they say something like, I'm sorry, mom, I don't know what happened, I'm very sorry. Just be calm and regulated and say, it's okay. It happens to all of us. I'm here for you. That makes them believe and makes them understand that you're going to be there no matter what, no matter how they feel, that they don't have to change their personalities, that they don't have to change how they react to things. Okay, that you're going to be there to support them no matter what. And that's something that I tell my kids every most nights before they go to sleep. I'll tell them, no matter what you do, no matter what you behave, how you behave, no matter, I'm just going to be always here for you because I love you, and every day I'm going to love you more than the day before, no matter what you do. Okay, and my love is, you have that for sure forever. And they love that. Obviously, they make jokes about it. Well, what about if I do this? It's like, listen, I will always love you. I may be upset with you, but I will always love you the same or even more. And make them feel that. Don't make them feel that only with words, but also with actions. Play with them, talk to them, connect with them. Don't get upset if they get upset. Be the adult in the relationship because you have to be. Okay. The other thing is always connect before correct. You cannot tell a kid, you cannot discipline a child when he is not regulated. So don't give them a speech. They don't get the speech. They're going to get more upset if you give them a speech. You connect before correct. Okay. And remember that you are their nervous system. So if you're upset, they're going to be upset. If you dysregulate, they're going to be dysregulated. If you speak loud or raise your voice and shout, they're going to shout at you. They're going to shout at you back. So don't do that. So if you like this video, I'm pretty sure you're going to like my next video, which is about tantrums and meltdowns. So just like click below. And what I will say, if you want more support and more community and accountability, join the Good Moms community. We're here to support you. We're here to help you with tantrums, meltdowns, bringing your home back to calm, back to a beautiful, loving home. And you can see the information below. What you get is a private Facebook group, so you can post questions, ideas anytime you want. We also do weekly calls on Fridays. We have a call where we share what we're going through, any questions, doubts that we have. We also get parent coaching, which is actually one of the most effective things that you can do to raise your kids, is to do parent coaching and parent training. And yeah, we're here for you, a community of moms like you going through some stuff. And no one said parenting is easy. So we're here for you in this beautiful community. So join the community and see you in the next video here.